This is a fun fall treat that kids can make using pretzels and colored candy melts. You need the following materials to make your own: pretzel sticks, white, orange, and yellow candy melts, a syringe, baking sheet, and wax paper. Place some wax paper on a baking sheet. Place the pretzels in the shape of a triangle. Using your microwave, melt the candy until smooth. Fill your syringe and start at the bottom. Add a small amount of yellow and place it in the freezer to set. Now add the orange and allow it to set. Finish off with some white and your treats are complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.